Do you want to learn how to do this, and this? Then keep watching.
So a couple people have asked us, so today we're going to be doing stretches to help you get your split. It's good for gymnasts, figure skaters, anyone.
After you're all warmed up, the first thing you're going to want to do is get into a lunge. Now we're going to hold this position for 10 seconds and make sure to go as far as you can go without hurting yourself. Now we're going to do this on the other side. We also like to pulse for a deeper stretch. While you're still in the lunge, take your opposite hand and place it to your back leg and pull it close to you for a deeper stretch. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Coming out of this position, you're going to put your head to your knee and pull back. Again, head to knee and pull back. Make sure you're not sitting on the floor, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Now we're going to do this on the other side, and remember, head to knee or as far as you can go. Now we're going to go into the pigeon pose and put our head to the floor or as far as you can go and hold that for 10 seconds. We actually forgot to record ourselves doing it on the other leg, but make sure to do it on both sides. Now we're going to keep one leg straight and bend the other and go up and over on the straight leg for a deep stretch. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other leg and reach for our toes or as far as you can go. Now we're going to put both feet together and go up and over and touch your toes. If you can't touch your toes, that's perfectly fine. You could touch your ankles. And if you do these stretches every day, you'll definitely see an improvement. Now we're going to do the same stretch but flex our feet and pull them back. And we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Now we're going to stretch out our hips by doing a deep second position, and we like to twist our shoulders side to side. Now we like to rock side to side and go into a sideways lunge and hold that for a few seconds. Now the part that we've all been waiting for, it's time for the split. Now we're going to go back into the lunge position and slowly straighten our front leg to go into a split. We just want to remind you guys that this should not hurt, it should just feel like a stretch. If you're close or pretty much have your split, you can reach up and over and put your head to your knee and touch your toes and hold that for 10 seconds. Now we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute stretch to improve your split like we did.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And don't forget to comment down below what other videos you want to see from us. Bye!